If you're a girl and you are watching this video and you are saying, God, when, oh, God, when, oh, when will my boyfriend propose to me, oh, and you don't know how to cook, my sister, if you say don't know food, now the one of the way to get a man. Men don't joke with that belly. When it comes to food, men don't joke with that belly. So learn how to cook. At least make you use food whole am. I know say dem go still cheat, oh, but use food whole am so that anywhere where in there you go dey remember say, my girlfriend sabi to cook, oh, my girlfriend sabi to do this, so from there you go dey come back house all the time. So join me, let's prepare this delicious ofe akwu. It's one of Igbo native stew. We call it ofe akwu banga stew. So my sister, learn how to cook, not just for your boyfriend or your husband or for your family. You can also start food business. You know, say for